Hi, myself B. Anil Nayak. Today we are discussing about solar power plant in megawatts. This is the diagram of solar power plant. Now we can see in the diagram given below the rays from the sun towards the solar panel. Solar panel are connected to the transformer and the inverter. Inverters are passing the electricity to the switchyard and the solar panels are the DC generators in the diagram shown below. Now we can discuss about the introduction to the solar power plant. Solar power plant is based on the conversion of sunlight into electricity, either direct use of photovoltaic or indirect use of concentrated solar power. Concentrated solar power system use lens or mirrors and the tracking system to focus a large area of sunlight into a beam. When the sunlight hits the semiconductor within the PV cell, electrons are freed and busbar collects the running electron which leads or which results to the electric current. Now you can see the components used in solar power plant. Inverter, batteries, solar module, controller, lighting load, energy meter underground and overhead cables. Last but not the least, sun. As we can see in the picture, these are the solar panels. In the solar panels, when the sun rays fall on the panels, and the solar panels converting the sunlight into electrical energy. And in the solar panel field, while we are there, we can want to remember some points. Those are: one is solar leading PV module and activate lighting shield and anti-degradation devices. And while we are in the field of solar panels, we want to know the what are the specializations used in the solar panels. Now you can see that the what is megawatt. Megawatt are used to measure the output of power plant or the amount of electricity required by an entire city. 1 megawatt equals to 1000 kilowatts is equals to, for example, a typical core is about 600 megawatts in size. As we can see in the picture, now power input MWT megawatt in thermal and power output MWB megawatt in electric and the waste power has heat atmosphere or the body of water. In the formation of 1 megawatt, we need land. Solar panels are nearly 200 above and AC combiners. Now we can prepare the 1 megawatt solar power system on grid. Now we can see the components used in solar power plant. Inverter. Inverters are also called AC drives. They are electronic devices that can turn DC to AC. It is also responsible for the controlling speed and torque of electric motors. Battery. An electric battery is a source of electric power consisting of one or more electrochemical cells with external connection of or for powering electrical devices. Solar module, also called solar panels. A solar module is a single photovoltaic panel that is an assembly of connecting solar cells. The solar cells absorb sunlight as a source of energy to generate electricity. An array of modules are used to supply power to buildings. Controllers. Controllers' main function is to make solar power system is always in the vicinity of the maximum power generation in order to obtain maximum efficiency. The change controller, usually the PWM, pulse width module, controls that the whole system is always running at maximum power near the area. These are the solar panel specifications. Peak power 195 volts, optimum operating voltage 36.6 volts, optimum operating circuit current 5.33 amperes, open circuit current 45.5 volts, short circuit current 5.69 amperes, module efficiency 15.3%, operating temperature minus 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. These are the specifications we use in solar power plant. Advantage and disadvantage of solar power plant. Advantages: solar power is a pollution free and causes no greenhouse gases to be emitted after installation. Reduced dependence on foreign oil and fossil fuels. Renewable clean power that is available every day of the year. Even cloudy days produce some power. Return to the investment unlike paying for utility bills. And disadvantages are highly initial cost for the materials and installations and long ROI. Needs lot of space, has efficiency is not 100%. No solar power at night, so there is no need for a large battery bank. Devices that can run on DC power different are more expensive. Resources. Thank you.